Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Good day. In this question, we will be solving for the pressure exerted in the box, where pressure is equal to the force divided by the area, and force is equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity divided by the area. Therefore, the solving for the pressure, we have mass given is 60 kilograms times the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared, divided by the area of the box is 5 cm. Converted to meter, we have 100 cm per 1 meter squared. Therefore, the pressure exerted is equal to 2.4 times 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter squared, or 2.4 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Thank you.